Hello from WP Franklin North in Alva, Florida. We're going to count down the campsites here for fun. We're on site 30. That is a 39-foot Tiffin. As you can see, it fits just fine. Room to spare. There's site 29 with the nice little Viking. Now here's a cool setup. Site 28 got their own golf cart. Now that's cool. Looks like a dog pen, maybe. Pretty darn cool, though. What do you think, Crystal? Pretty cool?
Yeah, I like this part.
Look, it's got a side ladder. We've stayed on 27 before.
Yep. This
one's so big you can park your car in front of it. This is the Caloosahatchee River. Let's see, so we're passing site 27, was it?
Nice Georgetown there.
Oh yeah, very nice. Then here's the group area. They have water and electric there also. I think you can group tent camp possibly. There's the WP Franklin Lock and Dam. This lot here, I said, had the best tree. Because you get shade all morning. You're gonna get the sun in the afternoon. But it's a nice, great big site too. Site 26, how about it?
Yeah.
I like that one. Well, I like them all, but site 25 is cool. Got a Newmar. Oop. Nobody's inhabiting site 24 yet.
We were on 25 a couple days ago.
Yes, we were. Which one is it? The next one?
No, it was right.
Oh, I just passed it.
Yeah.
Yep, they got the Bay Star. Site 23. Then really the best site here probably is a nice pull through. I don't know.
It's pretty cool.
Pull throughs ain't all they're cracked up to be, because you really got to watch your tow vehicle.
It's cool though. This is a nice one.
I think you could manage. A lot of times on the pull through, I got to watch my mirrors though. Let's see. This is the boat ramp. I'm parked in the campers only section, but I have permission to park there. Okay, now we're going to...
Do you want to walk to the boat ramp?
Boat ramp, here we go. We're gonna walk to the boat ramp. They got loaner life jackets here.
That's neat that they do that.
Yeah. In case you forget them, you don't put yourself in danger. You going down to the ramp?
Yeah, sometimes they do.
Sometimes there's fish. Okay. Again, see, there's the WP Franklin Loaner Life Jackets. So that was the eastern portion of the campground. My next video will be the western portion. There's the causeway in. A lot of boat ramp parking here. I can see a boat just went through the lock.
Thank you.